Right, we're looking at the rules of calculations. We've got 4 calculations down here that look quite similar, but we're going to be using these rules here for BODMAS. Now, you may have heard of BODMAS before. The B stands for brackets. The I stands for indices, or powers, you may know them as. Okay, divide. Oh, can't write all of a sudden. Multiply, add, and subtract. Okay, so this is the order we're going to do everything in. So we do any brackets first, then we do the indices or powers, then we divide, then we multiply, add, and subtract. So if I look at this first one here, I've got 4 plus 8 times 3. I've got to do the timesing bit first, so I'm going to underline that just to remind me. And 8 times 3 gives me 24. I haven't done anything with the 4 plus yet, so I'm just going to write that down as it is. 4 plus 24 is 28. Second one, I have some brackets. So I've got to do the bit in brackets first, and that is add. So I'm going to underline that bit because that's the bit I'm going to do first. And I'm going to get that as 12, and I end up with 12 times 3. I haven't done anything with the times 3, that stays the same. 12 times 3 is 36. Now, looking down my list again, 4 times 8 plus 3, what comes first? Well, the multiply comes before the add, so that's the bit I want to do first, so I'm underlining that. 4 times 8, 32. I've done nothing with the plus 3 yet, so plus 3 just goes on the end. I end up with 35. And then finally, I'm looking down here, I've got some brackets, so that's the bit I'm doing first. Okay, 8 plus 3. Okay, nothing's happened with the 4 times yet. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 4 times 11, nice and easy, 44. And even though we've got all the same numbers, we've got 4 different answers there, purely because of the BODMAS and the rules thereof.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.